Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Any of you who have subscribed to me and watched my other videos are probably wondering why this is my first video not about a car. I'm gonna actually try to include as much as I can more other DIY projects, whether that be home renovation or in this case I'm working on my lawnmower. Just simple things that can help you save money still regarding like a mechanical DIY aspect. So what I'm doing with my Toro lawnmower right now, this is a 22-inch recycler Toro. It has a 6.5 horsepower engine. This is the carburetor that I took off and I'm cleaning. The super nice thing about this is applicable to, I would say, pretty much any small engine that you're working on. And it would really be beneficial to watch to the end just to get an idea of what I'm doing. So I took this whole thing apart and cleaned it. From a DIY aspect, you don't have to do this because I did find on Amazon a kit with like a new air filter and a new spark plug and a new carburetor itself was like 20 bucks or under, depending on the brand you got. But I did go ahead, I got a brand new air filter. Just went ahead and cleaned basically all the parts, took it completely apart. This is the exhaust, and also got a new blade. A new blade, depending again on where you go, can be 20 bucks to sharpen or around that range. And I thought, why not just buy a brand new one? It was 19 bucks the one I got, and probably gonna work just as well. So I'll see on this first try. But what I'm gonna do here is put this back in. My lawnmower was having an issue with surging, and so I took the whole thing apart. And the best thing to do if you are having a surging problem, like you start up your lawnmower, it's just sitting there idling, and it goes like up and down. The RPMs are just going up and down pretty consistently. 9 times out of 10, you have a clogged jet somewhere in your carburetor, and there's a bunch of different jets that you can clean. So once you take the bowl off here, just pay close attention to how you like took it apart, because under the bowl there's a float and just a bunch of little pieces that you could lose if you're not careful or bend. But again, if you had to get a brand new one, not too expensive. So this screw itself right here is actually one of the jets. So unscrewing that, cleaning it, obviously making sure that you pay attention to the orientation and how much it was screwed in so that you can put it back how you took it out. But yeah, I took this black piece off here, just 2 screws. And the kit I got did come with 1 single gasket. I'm just gonna reuse this gasket. I'm actually gonna do this DIY way, see if I can, being I cleaned everything, see if I put it back together and my surging is gone. And if that solves the problem, return it and you don't need to buy it. You bring this in somewhere and they're gonna charge you, I have no idea, maybe $100 just for labor, even to take the little things off, even though it doesn't take that long. Very lightly brushed off and cleaned the gasket just to make sure there's no debris before you put it back on, and then put it back on the same way that you took it off. But yeah, it's super simple. Surging is a super common thing with all lawnmowers. I'm also just gonna give this a nice pressure wash, just on the metal parts, just to kind of clean it up, maybe even just an air compressor, get all the grass off. But yeah, taking this off, I'll do another video maybe on when I put this on, because I'm gonna have to wait until I am really low on gas, because you have to tip it on its side. I don't want it to leak everywhere. But it's really simple, and it's just nice DIY stuff that you can do at home. You don't have to worry about getting this in your vehicle and then bringing it somewhere just to pay someone. Just do it out of your garage. It won't take too long. One other thing that did come with the kit as well is a new spark plug. So up here, just slide off the wire carefully. And then I assumed, just thinking about a car like this, was going to be like a 5/8 deep socket. it actually wasn't. It was like, this is a lot bigger. So I'm not really sure what it was. I don't have a socket for it. So I just went ahead and used this to tighten it down. I didn't use like a torque spec. I just kind of did it hand tight with an extra like quarter turn or hard turn at the end. It does have like a press washer on it or a metal gasket on it, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, then make sure that your spring is still good in there. Slide that back on. If you guys have any questions, let me know. My first time doing anything with my lawnmower, so I will do my best to help you guys out.